So I'm going to do two settings here with Home System all-in-one camera on live composite. I'll do one shot, and then I'm also going to do bulb mode to do 3 different exposures, and then I'll make those 3 different exposures into layers to get the car lit up. So I'll reverse the camera and get shooting. So I'm right here doing live composite with the all-in-one. It's really dark out here. There's one couple street lights, but that's about it. So that's my screen. I'm in bulb mode, live comp, f8, ISO 400. So it says press shutter button once to prepare for composite shooting. I do that. It's all ready. Now I hit the shutter button again. It's going to start, does every half second. And then I'm lighting up the flashlight, and you can see whatever new light I'm adding to my truck is showing up on the screen. So make sure I do like the ground. There's the back tire. We can kind of see that. I know it's not real. I'm seeing the back of the screen. It's not that great, but it's, trust me, it's, and kind of make sure it's even. So that's good. And kind of the front, kind of make sure it's not just floating on air. And getting all the way around. Get the headlights. They look good. A little more in the back, on the side. And I'm going to stop it. That's 115, 120 shots. And I'm going to hit the shutter button again. And then again, here's the final image. And I'll show the full image on the slideshow. So the next demonstration I'm going to do is I'm going to do layers. So here I'm in manual mode at 10 seconds at f8, ISO 400, and manual focused. You can see the rest of the settings. And I'm just doing this 10 seconds. So I'm going to do like the quarter panel, then I'll do the front, then I'll do the side. So I'll do 3 exposures. So here goes the first exposure. So it's gathering the light just in bulb mode. And I can show you that. So there you can see it's kind of a little overblown a little bit. But it's not too bad on the screen for the headlight, and got the wheel. So I might have to go with another exposure, kind of more on the quarter panel, the front corner panel. So let me go ahead and take another shot and do the front. Okay, 10 seconds is up. I can do preview. And there's the front of the truck. And so now let's do another exposure. So now if you can see, if I take that exposure and that exposure together, that'll kind of expose for the front of the vehicle, my truck. And then I'll go down the side to complete the truck. I'm just using my flashlight. I found this is easier. I do have it set up where I can do LED. So this is the third exposure. Let's do another preview. So that does that side of the truck. The yellow in the background, if you're curious, is a tree that's going yellow and with the street light above it. Everything else is pitch black. So I've got the side of the truck there, the front of the truck, and then that front quarter panel. So I'm going to take all three of these exposures and put them into Neo as layers to complete the lighting. So that's how that's done. So I hope that was informative.